daughter thinks that I don't know her, that I don't understand what she's going through. And she has it so hard. Yeah, she doesn't know what hard is. I say, she doesn't feel. She feels different. And she says, sometimes she wishes she all Chinese or all white. She doesn't fit in anywhere. I say, when I was a little girl, escaping to Taiwan, so small and afraid, Taiwanese treated us badly. I never had any friends. It was hard. I say, how do you think it feels when your own people don't accept you? Then she's quiet, because part of me is inside of her. She's young. She thinks she's the only one in this whole world with this problem. In time, she'll see I understand.
There's a tug of war going on inside of me. Both sides want me to choose. I wish it was that easy. You know, I want to learn about my story, about my mother. But she's no help. She says it hurts her to remember. You know, she'll tell me little things like how her and her sister stole a chicken so that the family could eat, or how she met my dad. But still, knowing those things doesn't fill all the questions that I have. When I'm with her, I feel like an imposter, especially if we're anywhere near a Chinatown. I hold her hand and remain completely silent, only nodding to what she says so that the people passing by will think that I speak Chinese. I know it's silly. I don't know why I think I'm fooling anyone. I guess it makes me feel like I belong.
Sometimes I feel she's ashamed of me because my English is no good.
There are times when I try so hard to talk to her, and I wonder if she doesn't understand or she just isn't listening. Mom, guess what? Mom, I just had the best audition. That's nice. What she said. Mom, tell me what's happening.
She just told him to go. 她必须得走了，她不能在这儿待。
Hey, she went by concubine?
What kind of American nonsense what is that? That never happened.
Yes, it did. Didn't you see Razor Red Lantern? Joy left home. They're not making that. She's crying. He's not looking at her. Mom, tell me what she said.
She just told him he has to go.
好了。拿着。
What's happening now? What?
Oh, no! That's the end.
Mom, what else happened?
That's all.
Mom, a lot of things happened. And you're trying to tell me that all she said was to tell him to leave?
Very complicated. I have to tell you right from the beginning. Hello, daughter. Have you eaten?
I picked up something on the way home.
That veggie crap again. I don't understand your kid. It's not normal. Everybody eats meat.
Mom, a lot of people are vegetarians. It's healthy. Anyway, I just don't like the taste of it anymore.
You ate plenty of it when you were a little kid. I never heard you complain. I guess it's not good enough for you anymore.
Just drop it, okay?
When you are sick, don't come crying to me. Hey, you don't want to talk to your mother?
I tried. You don't listen.
What? You got a job. The one I found for you from the paper. Administrative assistant. How much do they pay? 25,000. You make them go higher. You're a smart cookie. I know you'll get that one.
I told you, I'm not calling them.
You get something better?
Forget it.
Hey, I'm your mother. You have to tell me.
Mom, I had an audition today.
Oh, another free show. No pay, right?
Mom, I'll be lucky if they call me back. I mean, aren't you even happy that I had a great audition? I mean, I had a great audition.
I still don't understand. Why don't you try some other things? They're using Asians all over the place. Look, Blacks is on every channel. You should be there. Look at there. Your Auntie Jenny's daughter is an actress. She's doing all these commercials. Your auntie told me Dee Dee is trying for soap opera. Dee Dee stars in shows. What do I have to tell? Look, there is a Chinese girl. That could be you. Hey, the Crosby show.
Cosby.
You should write a letter to Bill Crosby. Tell him you're a minority.
Mom, the Cosby show was canceled.
Send it anyway.
He's not going to hire me just because I'm Chinese.
Why not? I'll
No,
write for you.
Mom. I can do it myself.
In the meantime, don't just send it to him. Send all over. So many movies and TVs being made. You let so many opportunities slip you by. Like Mrs. Shugang.
Mom, it's Miss Saigon.
Saigon, Shugang, same thing. All about Asians. You want to be an actress so badly. You have nothing to show for it.
I did a mailing last month. It will take a while for them to get back to me.
Be aggressive, woman. You can't wait. You're going to wait for your teeth out for a lot. Listen to your mother. Call them. Make appointments. Be very professional. They don't like sloppy. You make good impression on them, they will not forget you.
Okay.
You know, you're not going to be young forever.
I know.
You know. All I see you to do is sit and wait. You're wasting my money. I should have never let you go become an actress. I should have never let you go to school or spend money for you. Look what kind of grief it brings to me. Yeah, you don't know what you want. You're running around with your head chopped off, no direction, no focus, running here, running there. Why can't you just find a job and take care of yourself? I'm not going to be here forever.
Okay.
Don't just say okay, do it. when sometimes things don't turn out the way I want.
What? Me?
You, me, everything.
Mom, how do you always do this?
I don't know how to say it.
You even gonna try?
Why don't you speak Chinese? Then I wouldn't have any problems. I look at you. I see my face smiling, but the words coming out are not mine.
I was never taught to speak Chinese. Do you think it's easy for me to be stuck in between like this? Just white enough to be excluded and just yellow enough to be a chink? Hey, what's the matter with you? You don't speak English? You better take a boat back to your country. What am I supposed to tell them, Mom? You can't take a boat to Virginia, you moron. Why isn't there a place in the middle where I don't have to explain myself? What about us? Where is the middle for us?
You think I want things to be like this? No! You think I want to make my own daughter a stranger to me? Every time I wanted to teach you Chinese, your father stopped me. He said his daughter is American just like her father. What could I do? I wanted you to have more than me, so nobody could treat you like you were dirt, speaking to you like you were some kind of deaf person. I've come a long way. I struggle. I never giving up. Now I see you have so many opportunities lying in front of you. And you do nothing about it. That's what makes me sad. To see the warrior spirit I bring to you sleep.
This is not about missed opportunities, Mom. No, I'm sorry. You were cheated out of your dreams. But your dreams aren't my dreams. I can't be what you want me to be. This is it. This is all I can be.
You're fighting the wrong way. A smart warrior would never talk back to her mother like that.
Why are you making a joke out of this?
I'm not joking. I want you to be happy. But I'm your mother. I have to worry. I'm here to help you. You think I want you to be a failure? I only want the best for you.
You only want what's best for you.
You still don't understand.
Then tell me from the beginning so that I can.
My daughter thinks that I don't know her. And I don't understand what she's going through. But she has it so hard.
Mom, there's a tug of war going on inside of me.
Yeah, she doesn't know what heart is.
I want to know about my story.
She says she feels different. Sometimes she wishes she all Chinese or all white.
I feel like an imposter.
She said, when I was a little girl, escaping to Taiwan, so small and afraid, no one is treating us bad. It was hard. Never had any fun. I say, how do you think it feels? own people don't accept you.
I hold her hand and remain completely silent, so that the people passing by won't think that I speak Chinese. I don't know why I think I'm fooling anyone.
Then she's quiet. Because part of me is inside of her. She's young. She thinks she's the only one in the world with this problem. In time, she'll see I understand.